Do you know many people are having trouble with loading cutting string on their DeWalt DCM561? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Remove battery. Remove the battery from the trimmer to ensure safety before proceeding. Step 2. Use DeWalt spools. Use only DeWalt replacement spools and line to maintain optimal performance. Step 3. Limit cutting line. Ensure the cutting line does not extend beyond the trimming blade to prevent damage. Step 4. Install nylon line. Install a 2.32 m or 2.413 m diameter nylon line, ensuring it's in a spiral shape. Step 5. Bump to feed. Gently bump the trimmer on the ground while it's running at normal speed to feed the line. Step 6. Reattach battery. Reattach the battery securely before using the trimmer again. By following these steps, you should now be able to properly load the cutting string on your DeWalt DCM561 Grass Trimmer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other DeWalt users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.